Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Element TVs where they keep turning off unexpectedly. If you're frustrated with this problem, stick around because we've got some troubleshooting steps that should help you get your TV back up and running smoothly. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Check power connection. First things first, ensure that the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the power outlet. Sometimes, loose connections can cause the TV to power off intermittently. Step 2. Power cycle the TV. Next, try power cycling your Element TV. To do this, simply unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can reset the TV's internal system and often resolves minor issues like random shutdowns. Step 3. Check for overheating. Check if the TV is overheating, ensure that the vents on the TV are not blocked and that there is adequate airflow around the television. Overheating can trigger automatic shutdowns as a safety measure. Step 4. Update firmware. Updating the TV's firmware can sometimes fix bugs or software glitches causing the shutdown problem. Go to the settings menu on your Element TV, navigate to System or About, and look for an option to check for updates. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting the TV to its factory settings. This will erase all settings and data, so make sure to back up any important information beforehand. You can usually find the reset option in the TV settings under System or Support. Step 6. Contact Element support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's possible there's a hardware problem. In that case, it's best to contact Element's customer support for further assistance or to inquire about warranty options. Conclusion. And there you have it. These troubleshooting steps should help you resolve the issue of your Element TV turning off unexpectedly.